Students, this is a video and basically start of the chapter liquids. So basically in the first video I will tell you about the introduction, some properties of liquid as well as the intramolecular and intermolecular forces. Let's just start this interesting journey, which is the properties of liquid. Number one property is that liquid have definite volume. Okay, they have volume, but they do not have what? They do not have definite shape. You will put the liquid in any container that will occupy or that will acquire the shape of that container. Okay, you put the liquid in a heart shape beaker or heart shape container, it will convert into heart shape. And if you take it in the square container, it will become square. You may just do that, it's very easy. Liquid consists of atom and molecule. Definitely all the state of matter do contain atom or molecule. Number third is the intermolecular forces in liquid are stronger than gases and weaker than solid. Okay, very important point. Their forces are stronger than gases but weaker than solid. Definitely because of that thing they are having little bit shape or little bit force of attraction, more than gases but less than solids. The particle of liquid are very close together and there is very little empty space than those in gases. They are close to each other, their molecules are close to each other, but they are not as much close as they are in the solids. Okay, the last one is attractive forces in the liquid particle are not as strong as in solids. That are why their molecules slip and slide over one another. Attractive forces are good more than gases, but not as strong as they are in solid. Solid particles are very stick to each other with the strong forces. However, liquids molecules can slip over one another if you provide a little bit force on them. Okay, this is just the properties, general 5 properties. So let's just come to the other part, which is intermolecular forces and intramolecular forces. The forces of attraction that exist between atom within molecule is called intramolecular forces. Like the forces any molecule is having within itself. Like if water is present, then the force between hydrogen and oxygen will be intramolecular forces, whereas the forces of attraction exist between molecule of substance are called intermolecular forces. And if there are more than 2 molecule of water, then the attractive force between the 2 molecules of water will be called as intermolecular forces. So both the properties are different, both the forces are different. Intramolecular forces are very strong and intermolecular are not that much strong. Each and every line is important, you must learn or listen them carefully. Physical properties of substances such as boiling point, vapor pressure, surface tension, viscosity, heat of vaporization, heat of fusion, heat of sublimation, all of these properties depend upon intermolecular forces. If you are getting confused about intermolecular and intramolecular forces, then you will learn later part in the chapter, so please just don't get confused about those. They are stronger, the stronger the intermolecular forces of the substance, the more difficult it is to separate the molecule. Okay, physical properties, like all these properties are very physical in nature. You have to provide some energy and that will break out. These are not chemically reactions or chemically properties. So these all the properties that are physical ones, they depend upon intermolecular forces between the 2 molecule force exist, that is called intermolecular forces. But the chemical properties, like the shape of molecule, like the bond energies, the bonding, everything depend upon intramolecular forces. Intramolecular forces are much stronger than intermolecular forces. So in this paragraph you learned about few things. Number one is intermolecular forces, which exist between the 2 molecule. Then we learned intramolecular forces, which exist within the molecule. How it exists I will tell you later. Physical properties depend upon intermolecular forces, but the chemical properties depend upon intramolecular forces. Okay, so please don't get confused, it's just the start of chapter, you will learn one by one. Okay, now just let's take an example like this one. Water is vaporizing. This one example is about the breaking of intermolecular forces. You may write down on your copy that first reaction is about breaking of intermolecular forces. Second is break of intramolecular forces. Okay, I told you that intramolecular force exists between the hydrogen and oxygen, and intramolecular exists between oxygen and hydrogen, and intermolecular exists between the two molecules of liquids. So water is vaporizing when I am providing just the energy of 40 kilojoule per mole, but the decomposition, like intramolecular na, the decomposition is happening at plus 934. Look at the difference between both of them. This is intermolecular force breaking, this is breaking of intramolecular forces. Okay, so we may check that intramolecular forces are really very high. The force that exists between hydrogen and oxygen is stronger than the two molecule contain the force. Okay, so just read it. From the above conversion, it is noted that 40.67 kilojoule per mole energy is required to vaporize 1 mole of liquid, but 934 is required for dissociation of gaseous water molecule. It is clear that intramolecular are stronger than intermolecular forces because the strong attractive force need much energy to break. So here there is more energy, plus 934, so it means that intramolecular force is really strong. So, how many kind of intermolecular forces are there? Number one is dipole-dipole moment, hydrogen bonding, London dispersion forces. So just subscribe to the channel, because one by one I am going to explain each of these forces of attraction to you. Hope the point are clear. If the point or anything is not clear, then you may just comment down in the comment section. I will answer you. Okay. So please just don't get confused. Chemistry is really interesting, and you will like it more and more than you when you will learn it. Okay, stay tuned, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning. Thank you.